Okay, so today, or this morning, my power's out, so my generator is running, and that's why there's a lot of background noise. But anyway, I'm going to change the oil on this 2013 E70 X5 M. This is the same process for the E71 X6 M as well. It's the S63 motor. So I got 10 quarts of 0W40. This is winter time, and I want some winter grade oil. I've got a gigantic oil catch can. This motor uses the OX353/7D oil filter. Got a mild version there. A couple of bits for the to open up to get to the bottom of the oil filter canister, and torque wrench, some towels, and then gonna need one of these to open up the canister, and some ramps. Here we are underneath the truck. In the center here, you'll see this is the oil pan drain right there. I'm going to use one of these Torx bits or Allen key bits to get into that. And then over here to the on the passenger side is the oil filter housing, and you're going to use this giant thing on there to loosen that guy up. So you're going to use a size 8 bit in there and loosen that guy up. Make sure you get your drain pan right next to you so you can catch it. Hey, I forgot my Blackstone oil analysis little catch cup. I'll use one finger to hold it in place. Get my little cup. Catch a little. You're going to change the crush washer on the drain plug. That copper ring comes out. Pull this funny guy. There we go. This back on. Okay. And put that on the drain plug, and then plug that back into the. And then, as I mentioned, while that's draining, open up the filler hole, so that you can let more air through and it can drain. All right, so the oil's practically drained out. I'm gonna attempt to do this with one hand, but there we go. So next, I'm gonna take this device and loosen the housing. There we go. It's very gracious. Alright, now that the housing's off, I'm going to take this guy off and put on the new one. Remove the O-ring from here, put on a new one, grease it up. This is just pull hard, and the installation is reverse of removal. That old gag. Okay, so you're going to take out the off the old O-ring. It's located there's a ridge. Pull that off. This is similar to really a lot of other oil change videos. Nothing really special here. You're going to take a new O-ring. You're going to apply a little bit of clean motor oil along the rubber to lubricate it, and you're going to apply it back onto the filter housing. Then next, you're going to take the new filter and press it on. Then reinstall. Alright. Put the new housing on. So I've been changing oil on my cars for a long time. And then I found this on, I think it was ECS Tuning. And then I realized, where has this been all my life? It's got this really cool adapter in there. Pull this out. adapter slides into here. Right? Cool as that. And then this guy slides into there. And now I can pour oil in there and I don't have to deal with funnels or things spilling all over the place. Pretty cool stuff. I think that was 20 bucks. Good balance. Next is the fun part. You're gonna pour about 8.5 quarts of oil into the engine. Make sure that you have no leaks. In my case, I have no leaks, which is good, except for water. All right, so there's a million videos on how to reset your service indicator online, but I couldn't really find any specific to an X5 M or X6 M. It's pretty much the same, but whatever. Your mileage may vary. So this is a 2013 X5 M, just an oil change. To reset the indicator, a couple important things. One, you want to make sure that when you push your BC computer right here, that you're on the temperature and the clock. It's not really going to work if you're on the mileage to empty or any other pits. So get it to the clock and temperature. Second part is you want to have the car on, I guess, accessory position. So push the button with the key on, second time, come on. There we go. You want that. You don't want the engine on, so foot off the brake. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to press the little trip computer down here. You're going to hold it for about 10 seconds, and you're going to see, it's exciting to wait the 10 seconds. Yeah, that's going to come on. And then that's the coolant. You're going to cycle through, just push the button again. That's the brakes, that's the front brakes, oil. You're going to hold this again for 3 seconds. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try that again. See if that works. Hold it. Oh, it says okay because I just changed it. So you're going to hold it for 3 seconds. It's going to ask you to reset. You push and hold it again for 3 seconds. This is going to cycle out to 0. I just reset this so it says 15,000 miles because it's the next interval for it. And that's kind of really it. There's not that much to it. And the other thing you want to do is when you come in, make sure you go into iDrive. Sorry for the bad glare here. And make sure when you check your oil level when the car is on, that it measures in between the lines. And then once you're good, button the car up and begin to drive it.